Off the top tonight at 11, as we deal with the coronavirus, the mosquito-borne illness, Eastern Equine Encephalitis, it continues to show up in West Michigan. The newest case is in a horse in Kent County.
This is the first case in Kent County this year. Newaygo County added its second case today, and Montcalm County has 4 cases.
Now, so far, there have been no human cases, but we know the EEE is deadly. It claimed 6 lives last year.
News 8's Jacqueline Francis spoke with health experts today about what we can expect in 2020 following last year's epidemic.
As summer's end brings the first confirmed animal cases of EEE in Michigan, a veterinarian who works closely with the state health department says this year's numbers are similar to last.
The counties that we're seeing it in are slightly different, but we're, within 2 or 3 cases of where we were this time last year.
Which could be cause for concern, as 2019 saw one of the largest EEE outbreaks in the state's history. A total of 10 human cases, killing 6 people.
We have cyclical elevations in the number of cases that we see, and definitely last year in animals we did see more cases. And of course, the thing that was most unusual about last year was we also had cases in humans.
So what exactly should we expect this year? Well, that's a question county health experts are still trying to figure out.
It's a good reminder that residents of Kent County have to be aware of EEE in the environment.
With awareness comes prevention, a word we've heard a lot of lately amid the coronavirus pandemic. Just as grabbing a face mask when you're leaving home has become part of your daily routine, health experts say you should also grab some bug spray. That way you're prepared for anything. While no human EEE cases have been reported in Michigan so far this year, officials say it's possible individuals could be more at risk of contracting the virus, as people are spending more time outdoors in response to the pandemic.
Because of coronavirus, there's a lot more outside activity, because that's something people can do. And that's a good way to get people to social distance. So it's going to be very tricky to balance the coronavirus versus this mosquito-borne illness, EEE.
Regardless of the potential for another EEE epidemic, health experts say combating the coronavirus pandemic should remain the top priority.
The cases of coronavirus and the fatalities due to coronavirus are way higher than EEE was last year. So I think our first, you should first be aware of the coronavirus and just keep in the back of your mind things like EEE and West Nile virus.
Reporting in Grand Rapids, Jacqueline Francis, News 8.